2, 1.
Do you know that you are going to a dance tonight? How do you feel about that? Apparently she has a little chubby cheek syndrome. So, what's your date's name? Wow, she's just speechless. Oh, is there the oh, that camera, not this one, this one? Okay. Hi.
I'm so being Alinda right now.
Oh my gosh. Alinda.
Yeah, Alinda.
Oh, scary. So, I really want to know how you feel about wearing. Tell me about your green shirt. Where did you get it? It's just so fab. Oh, we have not yet heard about that.
Stop. Let's see what your head burns.
Okay. Speak. Apparently the girl's gone bad.
Look at how tan my arms are, then you look at my chest.
Let's talk about that. Do you go to a tanning salon or are you out in the field?
Out in the field.
She's out in the field, guys. That's the. You just said something.
Oh my god. I'm in the bathroom. Do you really? No. Oh. But like, Houston, we have
What time is it? So as your hairstylist.
4:20.
What's her name?
Dude, she always says
It is 4:20 and your date will be here in 10 minutes.
He's not gonna
Actually,
be here.
he's not coming here. Idiot. Oh, idiot. Are you calling me an idiot or him?
Oh. Exactly, both.
Well, in that case, I won't speak to you anymore. So tell me, what treatments do you do for her hair?
Straightening.
Brian, she's straightening.
Actually, about kill it. Okay, you're talking into a curling iron. How stupid do you feel right now?
Actually,
you just
I can talk into anything because I'm so confident that I can hear you. Anybody.
Just let you know the cord's not even plugged in.
Oh well, here, let me go plug it in for you.
No, we're leaving.
Well, this is Lisa Ransom reporting from Alexis's room. Thank you. Goodbye.